Welcome to The Explainer. You know, a lot of people think applying for a voter ID is this huge, complicated hassle. Well, we're about to show you just how simple it can be. In this Explainer, we're going to walk through the entire thing step by step, and you can do it all right from your phone or computer. Let's jump right in. Because really, that's what this is all about, right? Making your voice heard. This little card is your ticket to being part of the democratic process, and our whole goal here is to make getting it super clear and incredibly simple. So let's kick things off with the why. Before we get into all the clicks and taps, it's pretty important to get what this card actually represents. I mean, sure, it might look like just another piece of plastic in your wallet, but it's so much more. It's your official key to democracy, the one thing that proves you're a registered voter, ready to make your voice count. And here's the best part. You can just forget everything you think you know about government paperwork, long lines, and endless waiting. The whole process has gone digital, and it's designed from the ground up to be fast and really user-friendly, whether you're on a laptop or just using your phone. All right, let's get into the action. Now that we're clear on why this card is so important, it's time to actually start your application. This is the first practical step, and it's all about getting you onto the official platform where all the magic happens. So, your first move is to head over to the official portal. You've got two super easy options here. You can either go to the website, that's nvsp.in, or you can just download the voter helpline app on your phone. Whichever one you pick, your next step is to log in, or if you're new, create an account to get started. Now, to create that account or log in, the system uses a really secure method that you've probably used a million times before. You'll just pop in your mobile number and it'll text you a one-time password, you know, an OTP. Enter that code and boom, you're in. It's just a simple way to make sure it's really you. Okay, you're in. See? Easy. You've now reached the real heart of the process, filling in your details. This next part is where you'll fill out the main application form itself. So once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the option to register as a new voter, and you're going to see it called Form 6. Now don't let the name throw you off. It's not some scary government code. It's just the official name for the new voter application form. That's the one you need. To make this part go as smoothly as possible, it's a good idea to have a few things ready. You're going to need your full name, your date of birth, and your complete home address. Oh, and you'll also need a recent, clear passport-style photo saved on your device, ready to upload. Okay, so you've filled in your personal info. The last part of the form is just about proving that the information you gave is correct. And that brings us to our next step, uploading a couple of documents. You'll need to upload scans or even just clear photos of two documents, one for your age and one for your address. For age, something like a birth certificate or your 10th grade mark sheet is perfect. For address, a utility bill or a ration card works great. But hey, here's a fantastic pro tip. Your Aadhaar card can often be used for both age and address proof. That can make this step even easier. You've filled out the form, you've uploaded your documents, you are so close to being done. So what happens after you hit that submit button? Let's talk about the final steps and the verification part so you know exactly what's coming next. Okay, listen up, because this is probably the most important part of the whole process. The second you submit your application, you're going to get a reference ID. You absolutely need to save this number. Write it down, take a screenshot, email it to yourself, whatever you have to do. This ID is your golden ticket to tracking your application status online. Don't lose it. So where does your application go from here? Well, it gets sent to an official called a BLO, which stands for Booth Level Officer. This person is assigned to your local area, and their whole job is just to verify your details. This usually just means they'll make a quick visit to the address you provided to make sure everything you submitted is accurate. And now we've made it to the final section, the moment we've all been waiting for. Once that BLO verification is all done and dusted, your application gets approved. It's time to get your card. After the BLO gives your application the green light, your brand new, physical voter ID card will be printed and sent directly to your registered address through the mail. Yep, it's that straightforward. But get this, you don't even have to wait for the mail to arrive to start using it. You can also download a totally secure official digital version called the eEpic. This gives you immediate access to your voter info right there on your phone. How cool is that? And that is it. Seriously. From just visiting a website to having an official voter ID in your hands or on your phone, it all boils down to just a few simple, manageable steps. You are officially ready to participate in democracy. So, we'll leave you with this thought. We've covered the how, the simple step-by-step process of getting your card. But the real journey, well, that starts now. With this key to democracy in your hands, the only question left is, how are you going to use your voice? Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.